Good morning. I just went out to sort out the garbage, and as you can see from my attire, it never rains, but it pours. It's horrible out there. It's wet, it's humid. I don't want to be there, and I have to go there again. I survived, and I'm doing some chores inside. I'm folding the clean the clean clothes and stuff because outside there's just nothing. It's a horrible wind. It's raining. It's just too bad. So I'm doing some chores inside, and later I'm gonna do some more research for my infotainment channel. So it's still raining outside. I'm I showed you there, didn't I? And I'm watching some television, and I'm doing some research for my infotainment channel. You're gonna have to have some patience because I think the green screen will arrive only in 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 half of February or so, in 2 or 3 weeks, because it's coming a long way. But we'll see. Anyway, my wife is doing somebody's hair because we're going to a wedding later, and you're gonna see that as an extra vlog tomorrow. On top of the on a diet vlog. Oh my god, the on a diet vlog, it's not gonna be good. But hey, anyway. My portable battery just arrived with the post on a Saturday. Hey, great, isn't it? Look at the power it's packing. So I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna put on some other clothes, and then we're off to the wedding. You'll see the wedding vlog tomorrow. And you know the drill. If you haven't already subscribed, you can subscribe to my channel. And you can share it on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram, whatever. And you can follow me there too. And you can leave comments in the box, and you can like it if you want to. So see you tomorrow.